And so we will explore a little bit with a couple of questions, the potential of bio-based solutions for the future of industry. We will start with the first key question. And the first key question is, what are the main challenges in scaling bio-based solution and how can we address them through collaboration? So if you want to discuss it, please.
I can try to start the discussion. Main challenges in scaling up, I think, is the main problem when we are dealing with biomass is the scaling up of different solutions. So even if you are coordinating a RIA project, you have to take into account that what you are doing at the research state, at the lab state, should be upscaled to another scale. So what we can do to gain these results. In our case, we have a great partner in our consortium that can scale the production. So we can move from few grams from Bologna to the kilos that we can do in Poland. And this can be done only by collaboration in the same project, but even by collaborating with other projects. We already discussed it with Elvira a few weeks ago that, for example, in our automotive application, we need bio-based fire retardant. So maybe we should avoid, let me say, graphene, because we need a transparent screen, but maybe we can reach the fire retardancy by using some products from ThermoFire. So it's a challenge because it's not easy to move from the lower scale to the upper one.
Yeah, and I know that's not a technical question here, but it's really important bear in mind the price because the market needs some cost-effective solutions. So if the market demands the scale-up can be speed, but of course we have to provide something which is competitive in price.
That is correct. So the price, unfortunately, right now is the one that is moving the market demands. Nadia, do you want to add something on this point?
Just to say that the price, of course, is an important, parameter to take into account. Perhaps the price became less important if we think to.
Nadia, we can't hear you properly. Can you move your microphone a bit up?
Yes. No, I just saying that the price is for sure important, but when we use polymer in niche applications, became little bit less important. The advantage of furan-based polyester is that their properties are so outstanding that we can think to use them in a niche application where outstanding performances are required. This is the objective of our project. We think to particular application where the requirements are strict, are stringent, and so in this case the price is important, but little bit less important. Of course, the producer of monomer has to work hard to produce large amount and so decrease the price of monomer, because if monomer price is lower, the final polymer price is lower, of course.
Thank you, Nadia, and for pointing us these important aspects. And we have one question that is really interesting, actually, and is related also to the market. And here we move to the consumer perception. So Elena Fortunati, so thanks for this question. And she is asking, if biocomponents come from food chains, in some cases, they are not accepted by the market. Which is your experience about this?
Thank you, Elena, for the question. The problem, you know very well that the problem of the food sector is the the quality of the product that you are using, and also the constancy of the property of the material itself. So in this case, let me talk about Furious. We have identified a specific sector for the preparation of the FDCA, so the sugar are well characterized and fractionated by our partners. Indeed, you know that the purity is, as we commented before, is an important issue. So we cannot have any, let me say, monoacid in our case, otherwise the polymerization will be stopped. So the main problem is the purity of the raw material. But, you know, this is the overall problem of when you are dealing with biomass in general. So the raw material provider should help us to reach good results.